The skin feels so relaxed. I'm done. Look at this results. I'm going to show you what happens to your skin when you rub one ice cube every single night for 1 week. Especially if your troubles are dark circles, pimples, and pores. Yeah, you need to watch this. But before we start, if you enjoy self-care tips, make sure to subscribe right here and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of the videos. Listen to me. According to Google, one ice cube can increase blood circulation, help to brighten up your skin, prevent wrinkles, reduce redness and inflammation, and especially if you have cystic acne, will numb the pain while it will work overtime to get rid of that cystic acne. It will also minimize pores and dark circles on the eyes. So this is what happened on day 1, rubbing one ice cube on my face. I have my ice cube. I'm gonna splash a little bit of water so it can start melting a little bit. It feels really good. Skin feels tight. My cheeks are so red. Apply a little bit and now I'm gonna follow up with my skincare routine. On day 2, the pimple's still red, but you can tell it's healing by the look of the white stuff around. It's not that I want you to guys see that, but it's healing. Definitely is working on reducing the inflammation around that area. After I rubbed the ice cube, the skin looked exfoliated and overall the tone looked a little bit brighter. On day 3, something really interesting happened. Right after I was done rubbing the ice cube, I touched this area right here and I didn't feel the bump anymore. So when I looked, I noticed that it popped and I didn't even have the chance to see it pop. By the way, the blind pimple that I was getting on my forehead is not there anymore. Complexion looks clean and glowing at this point. On day 4, I woke up like this. I already started to see huge results on this day. The entire day, the skin was soft and plumped. Also, look how dry and healed the pimple is at this point as well. After rubbing the ice cube, my skin was glowing, dark circles were less prominent, and I barely had skin texture. On day 5, the glow is real. Look at how incredible my skin looks overall. I never seen it this even toned ever and this clean in so many days. Also, you can see a huge improvement in reducing the dark circles around my eyes. And guys, take a close look at my pores. Wow. The skin feels so relaxed. As soon as I rubbed these eyes on my face, it already took off all the stress, all that heaviness that I felt on my skin and under my eyes. It just feels great, guys. Alright, that's it. I'm going to pat dry my skin. Look at that glow. Look at this results. Oh my goodness. On day 7, ice cubes pretty much prevented small blemishes becoming a bigger problem, like a bigger inflammation. Also, ice cubes improved the overall of the tired skin into more glowing, brighter, clean skin. It definitely kept at bay the oiliness during the day, and because of that, pores looked smaller and also they were less clogged. And let's be honest, ice cubes are the best treatment for dark circles and puffiness in the eyes. I'm done. A lot of water dripping. If you guys want to see part 2 when we can cover details like how long should I ice a pimple or what should I do after I ice my face, please let me know in the comments below. Like always, I hope you guys are safe and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Pura vida!